Today, we're taking a look at Olixar's Privacy Film Screen Protector. This one is for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but Olixar does offer them for many other phones, so make sure you head to the links in the description below to check for your phone. Let's start things off with the installation of the screen protector. To start with, clean the screen with the included wipes. Make sure you remove all dirt from the screen. Now, you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Ensure you remove all moisture from the screen. Next, use the dust collector and dab it on the screen to remove any dust. Take your time with this step, as it's very important not to get anything trapped underneath the protector. Peel back the tab labelled 1 to expose the top section of the film. Carefully align this with the top area of the phone, then firmly press down using the application card to fit the exposed film to that area of the phone. Now, push the application card from the top to the bottom of the phone to detach the plastic from the film. With the application card, firmly run it along the screen to ensure the plastic is attached well and that there are no bubbles. Emphasize the area around tab 3 to make sure it's stuck down, then pull back tab 3. Then push down the edges using either your finger or the included microfiber cloth to attach to the screen. Now the screen protector is installed, you will need to go to your phone settings to add your fingerprint again.